Welcome to the Atlantic Ocean. As you can see, there's lots of wind. We are just 150 miles north of the Canary Islands, motoring as usual. And it's dolphin time, folks! Yay! Our little friends here have come to visit. Let's see. And these are bigger dolphins than we normally see, these North Atlantic guys. I think they're coming to welcome us. Oh, where'd they go? To the Atlantic, maybe? I scared them away. Nah, there they are. Here they come. These guys are fast. Look at that. Woo! Usually they come around at night as well. You can see their fluorescence as they're shooting around the boat at night. It's kind of crazy. They vanished again. But you can see we've done laundry today, or Amy has, I could say, because there's no wind, flat seas, and dolphins. You can see them behind the boat trying to catch up to us. We've been motoring for the last 12 hours or so. We had 20 knots of wind yesterday, but today, nothing. Here they come. Come, boy, these guys are quick. Shoo! There they go. Whoa! I almost joined them right there. Well, those guys are big. Go get us some tuna. Bring them over. Whoa! The water's pretty clear too. Blue Atlantic Ocean. We left the Straits of Gibraltar about 4 days ago. So 150 miles, we should be there another day and a half, and it's almost sunset now. And they've got about 5 or 6 of these little, well, big guys. They're trying to figure out what the piper's doing here in the Atlantic. I keep the camera steady, but they're kind of all over the road here. Pretty exciting out here. Looking forward to the Canary Islands. Looking forward to getting some wind. Whoa, these guys are so fast! Whoa. I think he sees us filming him. He doesn't like the paparazzi. Well, there you go. Dolphins, North Atlantic. Say goodbye. Goodbye, dolphins! There they go.